okay. PDP! Women, oh yeah! Leaders, oh yeah! Teachers, oh yeah! Good job, you! Thank you. This afternoon, Egor, una surprise me again. Egor, they always surprise me. But I know why I like Egor. But I know why. Because Egor now gets one of the largest numbers of young people in Edo State. Not be Egor, you be bende. Not be Egor, but be technical day. So I'm not surprised. Say, young people when they here today will never see like them before. That's why the message this afternoon, not be long one. Like somebody said, the election of the 21st is going to be the most important election in Edo. But I know why. We don't reach center of road. We either go forward or we go backwards. On the 21st, we need to decide where we won't go. We won't go forward? Backward? The reason why we must go forward, if you look Egor alone, all the work when we don't do for Egor, but I want to make it stop. The people the other people, if they come, when I know them before, they go share they're not going to do the. So, from a standpoint of continuity, Abeguna, make we not make mistake. The matter is straightforward. Now, between PDP or PDP, una here? PDP or no room for any other party. When I hear that, we don't learn our mistakes. We're not going to do them again. Young people now fool this local government. And the next governor, by the grace of God, all the work when they do, when I know. Now for young people. I say, una know say, now one of the biggest lawyers for Nigeria. Una know say for a law firm where you employ more than 100 lawyers, 80% of those lawyers they under the age of 35. So the man they used to working with young people. He understands the youth. He has served all his time supporting them. The other reason why this afternoon when I will leave here, go call the people who will not come. Tell them, say, on the 21st, we cannot make a mistake. It's because the infrastructure, the roads, when we they build for this Egor, they're so important. We not feel stop up. Anna wet, when they hear me, road transport workers, when they hear me, driver welfare, when they hear me, when I know how much it costs now to repair una machine or una buses when the road not good. Una don't know. Una know what una don't suffer before. Now we build all the roads for Egor. Egbetokun. They now abandon them. Today, what not they go for Egbetokun? When I want to make it stop, If us will not come, it go stop. They're not going to do the work again. So maybe when I go home, go tell everybody for those areas. Say, one government not finish all the work. But when I see the work when this government don't start, we must complete them. And the only way to complete them is to bring somebody where is be. The way to complete the work when we don't start, now to bring somebody where is be. When I don't go beneath technical college, I beg no love when I go there, go look. It be like university. But when I go there down, I'm not going to believe what I don't see. That school will be the #1 technical school for Nigeria. We don't do all the buildings. We do all the workshops. Now, if you hear the message, I know say I will work. I want somebody who will work more. When we walk past me, make it come. The only time we go finish that school may be #1. Now when as we come in. So this afternoon, I won't come tell Una. I don't lie for Una before. I don't tell Una anything where I don't feel do. I don't do my own, reach where my power carry me. I don't find people when I know say they get power past me. They get sense, reach. I'm not going to talk. He said, make I not talk like that. I don't know the man for 40 years. We've been there university together. It's a big book. It's a big book. I say it's a big book past me. He said, no. I say it's a big book past me. But you know why? Just wait. You know why I'm sure about these people? I don't work with Aswe for many years. When I know in deputy, you go say, okay, never help. He don't be commissioner, he help people. When he be chief of staff, he help people. When he be secretary to government, he help people. Now when he be deputy governor, he don't go help people. He not sabi. So with Aswe Godano and Osadio Oke, I will now leave you on the 12th of November in very safe hands. I will leave you in very safe hands. All you need to do as they go mobilize here. When una come out for here, una don't say people will not come here, and I plenty pass the people will come. What you una go do? Everybody will come here today. Go tell 10 other people what you hear for this rally. For una bosso, for una kekeo, for market, for school, go tell them. Say September 21, that day everybody must come out. Because of our future. Teachers, Go and tell the parents of the children you are teaching. Oh, tell them. Oh, say person when not go school, not go support education. Person when not go school, not go see the value of education. So make the parents when they get children from the school, make them come out, because if those people come, they go stop Edo best. They say I do worst. They don't like Una, so make Una not vote for them. Egor! 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 How many times I call Una? Now I don't give Una a governor. I don't give Una a deputy governor. I see the faces where they here. You know what it remind me? It remind me of brain power to the power 110. Brain power to the power 110. The faces where I see and people where no book die. How we where no book die? We won't choose person where no book at all. That person go do us. Waiting, the person go bring insecurity. I see we won't bring me that. Waiting, me and Osarojo gonna tell you now today. Egor go be the brain box and brain power of Nigeria. We go support all of our youths where God don't bless with special brain, technology, creativity, performing arts, sports, culture, tourism, business, agriculture, mineral, strength. God don't bless us. God don't bless us with Una. By Una alone, the economy of this Edo state go be times 100. Just by the work we now go do, when we all go do together. I take God begging now, the youths. The Bible says, honor thy father and thy mother, so that your days may be long. I take God begging now. Time don't reach, make we work. Make we work for our parents. Make we work for our relatives. Make we work for our family. The brain where God give us, when we get sense pass Oyibo, that brain we go use am positively. Una know they asking ourselves this question. We get sense pass Oyibo, we dey do better than them for school. How come they run country way better pass our own? Who fit answer that question? Because we get bad leaders wey no love them people. Obaseki don't start the work. He don't show how love for people they work well. Osarojo and myself, we go work. We go work to show how leadership that loves his people can improve the life of his people. This one where our mothers they take cucumber and carrot cook soup. It must end though. Because the one way I know now tomato, tatase, all those things. This one, which one be cucumber and carrot to cook soup? But why when they chop 3 meats before, you don't even chop one common again? How much more pikin? When the man don't chop one common, which one pikin go chop? I didn't market the other day. One woman tell me, say, if he chop for Tuesday, So that him pikin go chop, he no go chop again till Thursday. He said he take 10,000 naira go market today. Tomorrow he take 10,000. He no go buy half wetin he buy yesterday today. Which kind life be that? No be so God talk am. No be so God want am. Make we no take our hand, bring bad thing to ourselves. Make we no take our hand, invite snake into our house. Time don reach, make we face light fully, no more darkness. Time don reach, make we go up, no more down. Time don reach, make we do forward ever, backward never. I take God begging. Edo State don reach that place wey na to hammer, na im we dey. I take God begging am, make we no throw ourselves back. Countries dey this world wey no get the sense wey we get. They no get the resources wey we get, but they no get poor people. Our work na say working with our youths, we go remove all suffering from this Edo State. We go work, everybody for Edo State go dey happy.